Hello, I am Michael Walker, and this listing is for the Honda GX160 step hill generator. It is 2.7 kVA and it works fine. Seller refurbished. It's had new oil, new gaskets. It's had what else is it had? Oh yeah, the carb cleaned as well. It's had a general clean up, just have a look at the radiator. And it's a nice little generator, not like these Chinese cheap ones. It'll last a good long time. Just show you, start it up for you, and then show it generating power. I've just got a just got a fan over there. That's nothing for this. 2.7 kVA that could power, I don't know, a camper van or something. Turn them on. Usually start first pull, easy. All the time starts first pull. And right. And there you whoops. There you go. It hasn't got much petrol in it because it's waiting to be shipped out, obviously. You don't want petrol in your car.